Friday, May 17th, the Word and Worship Church presents Israel Houghton and New Breed live in concert. That's Israel Houghton and New Breed live in concert with special guest Donnie Mcclurkin. All taking place Friday, May 17th, 7 p.m. at Chestnut Assembly of God, 2554 East Chestnut Avenue, Vineland, New Jersey. Tickets are $40 in advance, $45 at the door. Tickets can be purchased at Chestnut Assembly of God, Eventbrite.com, and Cornerstone Christian Bookstore, 21 South 7th Street, Vineland, New Jersey. Also, for tickets or more information, www.thewordandworshipchurch.com. Friday, May 17th, Word and Worship Church presents Israel Houghton and New Breed live in concert with special guest Donnie Mcclurkin. You don't want to miss this.